Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering down and removing any power source. This prevents shorting and protects components. Once done, ground yourself. Static kills circuits, so touch the metal chassis or wear a wrist strap. Flip the pavilion, remove visible screws securing the keyboard area, and keep them organized in a labeled container. Now use a small Phillips and a plastic pry tool to loosen the keyboard bezel. Work gently along the edges so clips don't snap. Once the bezel is loose, start at the top and pry evenly to disengage the clips. Uneven force bends keys or warps the frame. Lift the keyboard just enough to see the ribbon cable connectors. This is why you mustn't yank. You'll usually find a flip or slide latch holding the ribbon. Flip it up or slide it back to free the cable. Make a mental note of the cable orientation so reinstallation is straightforward and keys map correctly. After unlocking the ribbon, gently withdraw it and remove the keyboard. Store screws and any tiny clips. Before sealing the laptop, reconnect battery and power, then test the replacement keyboard or a USB keyboard to confirm functionality. If some keys don't work, reseat the ribbon and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure the latch is fully engaged and the ribbon sits flat. If issues persist, inspect for torn pads or bent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.